Oh, there we go. All right.
And there, now you're live.
All right. Okay, so this is part 2 of the shuttle restoration. We basically the one of the motors was bad. I tried to take it apart in the last video, and I ended up like gluing it, and then it still didn't work. So it was just bad. So basically, the principle behind the shuttle is it has these polarizing filters.
Oh, that looks so cool. It looks really good. Yeah.
So, and they spin on the motor. Now I couldn't find the right, the same motor shaft. Okay. So I just opted for this one, and it turns out that was a good choice because a little trip to Ace Hardware gave me enough things to mount it to this. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get this in there like that, and then we're going to put one of these hitch pins through there, and then we're going to take one of these screws out, and I dremeled one of these finishing washers, so that will go on top, and then hopefully it will. We'll see if it fits. It might not. We might have to just use the screw, and I just dropped it. So.
1 second, I'm about to set this up so that you can see yourself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I thought that'd be useful. Except this is not on the internet for some reason. That's probably what it was whining about so hard.
So I thought I was going to have to cut the E-clip or C-clip into the shaft, but with this way we're going to do without it, and then you don't need the springs, so we'll get this set up so we can see me on here.
Wow. The Wi-Fi straight up broke on this thing.
Oh,
it's dead. It's like there is no Wi-Fi.
Huh.
Isn't that crazy?
Uh-huh.
Luckily, I have tons of wired internet all over this room.
Okay.
And a Ethernet port.
All right.
So that's not stopping us.
Yeah.
That's the kind of stuff that stops other people, not us.
Yeah.
All right, where's this?
That was the...
That blue cable runs somewhere.
It is plugged into there. I think it's plugged into the router.
Oh, right here.
Or,
Plug that into your laptop, back right corner.
Mm-hmm.
And this should just come right on. Your DHCP should fire up. And then I can put on your screen so you can see yourself.
All right, there we go.
Let's see here. Oh!
Should fire up in just a second.
Come on, DHCP. Do your thing. Do your thingy thing. Cable unplugged? No, it doesn't seem. Yeah.
Well, maybe it's not hooked.
Yeah, it's not.
Maybe it's not
there's no routers over here.
Oh.
Let's see.
Doesn't it go up to that Asus up there? Does that maybe need to be turned on?
No, Asus is on. It doesn't go to the Asus. It goes to the old legacy switch. I see where it goes.
All right.
Oh man. Okay. At least it's not going to the 10 megabit hub, or you'd really be suffering.
So,
you're still broadcasting, real good.
Yeah. Basically, this was a synchronous motor, a 50 TYZ, which is like a really, really generic number. So it said 110 volt AC and 50 RPM, which is the main things that you need to look for. So this is, 50 to 60 RPM at 100 to 127 volts. They seem to be about the same thickness, maybe a little bit thinner. So they'll fit perfectly in here.
Boom. And I can show you what you look like, and then you can hold stuff up and actually,
I'll make sure that it shows up.
should make sure things are looking good, right?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, here we go. This is it. All right, that should be it. You're pretty much live.
All right.
You're very delayed,
There we
but you
go.
get the idea.
Yes. Okay. All right. So let's see if people were able to see that.
Oh yeah, I see it very well.
Okay, good. So
Don't worry too much. If you hold it up for more than 30, for more than like 10 seconds,
right.
it will zoom and auto zoom. Just don't get it too close, or it just cannot.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. So we are going to wire this. Can we get it a little bit more? That's all right. Let's see how that looks. All right. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So basically, it's just AC wired. There was a fuse originally in here with the 3 fluorescent lights. I think it says it's a 3 amp fuse. So what we have instead is we have this power supply. It's just a generic 12 volt 3 amp power supply that we found somewhere in one of the bins, and then we have this, which is a string of
You're good.
warm white LED stick on, and so I'm not gonna be able to run this over. We'll test it. We tested it already, so we'll test it later. So that's what we're going to do. But first, we're going to get the motors mounted, and then we're going to do the LEDs, and then we're going to mount the panels, because that's going to be the last part. But we want to make sure that the motors are working, and that the lights are working properly. Okay, so just reuse this mounting hardware here. I got a 6mm socket wrench that I'm just going to use to hand tighten these things with. Some screws. Those look like that. we're gonna do is, even though this other motor works, we're gonna take it out and change it, because we got 2 new motors, so that everything will be all the same wear level. There we go. That's better. What was this? 7:30 seconds. Okay. And the second motor. There's little plastic standoffs and long screws that go all the way through to mount these motors in place. Okay. All right, now on this, where did that go? For this power supply, I took some of these and screwed them in, and we're just gonna bend them down, and it's just gonna grab the power supply.
They can't see where your hand is, so you got to go a little lower. No, they can see that fine, but where your hand was just out.
Oh yeah,
Power
this
supply.
is, yeah, the,
Just move it out. Yeah, there you go. If you move it that way more, all the way out to the edge of the table, they can see everything real clear. Yeah, just get that crap out of the way, and there you go. Now everything's visible now.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, so these are locked in here, and we're just going to screw that down when we're ready to lock the power supply in. This is. Do we have a wire stripper in the toolbox?
We should. Yeah. 1 second.
Okay.
Or it's upstairs. Remember?
Oh yeah.
It might still be upstairs.
I think so.
You think you brought it
Could
down?
be. If I saw it up there, I would have taken it downstairs.
Right.
So.
I'm a looking. We have a crimper, which has a little bit of a stripper on it.
Okay.
You want the proper stripper, huh?
If we find it.
That looks like it right there. There you go.
Okay. There we go. Okay. So cut this plug end off over here. And then Is that utility knife somewhere? A utility knife?
You had it, remember? You were using it for the shims?
Yeah, and I
Put it
I
somewhere.
was using it. I was using it down there too. It's not on the corner of the table, right?
Oh, you know what? No.
Okay, that's all right. I'll just use this. I'll just find the post.
Boom, boom, boom.
Am I doing something wrong here? Just going like this. Oh yeah, there it goes. All right. Wow, these are really thin here. So I might have to use the white ones. I was gonna change out the wire nuts for larger ones, but this wire is so thin. I think it's just gonna be fine with the white ones. So. No, I still think those are too small. And that one of them came out. Oh, jeez. So yeah, so we left the fuse in here, and with the fluorescent lights, um, it seemed like it was a high enough amperage fuse that this is going to be a problem for us with this. So. But this would be a problem. Strip this a little bit more. Move all these scrap pieces. Alrighty, so now okay, so the motors are turning in the same direction, so they need to be
Counter rotating?
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah.
Really? If
Yeah.
they're turning in the same
No,
direction?
I got it. There's a slip cam on there. I just held the shaft hard enough and it
It started going the opposite direction?
yeah.
Nice.
So because we want it to be, so I don't know which way we want it to be.
Well, that's what I'm saying is that, like, if they're both turning the same direction, I think they still both end up cross polarized.
Well, you want the shuttle to look like it's lifting off.
I
So
have no
I'm
idea.
ass-
We
I'm
can try
assuming-
both ways now that you know how
Yeah.
the slip.
Well,
Cam
they're
works.
running both ways now, so and everything is wired in here okay. So all right, so we will turn this off and unplug it. And do the rest of our work here. So now the question is when we turn these, how do we turn? We'll open this side of them. I think we might. It's the only thing with these LED strips is they don't like to make right angles. So, so we may end up cutting them at their designated spots and just soldering the wires, bodge wires to them. Let's see. I see the problem. You want to give me the tape measure?
Yes, sir. I know where it is because I put it away.
Measure twice and cut once.
Or just put the tool in the right way. I think we're talking about different. What are those axioms or whatever they are? I did put it in here, right? Oh, there it is.
There's two of them in there.
No, that doesn't mean I can find either. Don't judge.
Okay. think we're gonna do that. I think we're going to just hodge wire them together. Let's see if there's anything centered. Where these things are centered. So it looks like these are joined every 19.5 inches. So that would give us about what we need. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unsolder their solder joints. These are the solder joints. Here is a joined one, and the copper is the knot. So okay. So this strip is about 5 meters long. It says it's a warm white, 12 volt. So it's pretty much about that. Every 19.5 inches is a join. So we're going to put 2 sections and then we're going to wire them across ways.
Remember, the light should be mostly focused along the bottom, so the side further away from you.
Okay. Well, this is the bottom. This is,
Right,
yeah,
further
the
away
farther
from you.
away from
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
Right, yeah, okay. All right, so, yeah, that'll be, we can kind of do that. We can, make sure that we add enough, in the bottom here. We might even have to put one across there. Okay, so I'm gonna go get the hackle gun and I will be right back. And this has my hackle cord wrangler, which is on my Thingiverse. So if anybody wants to 3D print that, it has a little cup for your accessories, and then it wraps the cord around. So. Alrighty. So we are. Oh, okay. I see. All right, that needs a little bit more disarm. Take another 2 segments and unsolder there. This way, we don't have to bother tinning the strip or anything like that, because it will already have solder on there. And we don't have to cut them because they will have already been cut at the manufacturer. aside.
It's about time for me to take a nap, dude.
Oh, really?
I'm an old man.
Oh, okay. Oh, there we go.
Or too long. How are you doing on it?
I'm doing pretty good. We're getting the strips ready here.
Nice.
And we're going to tack them down, and then we're going to okay. That on the side and let that cool. All right, so that fixes it for us so that we don't have to do that. And I wish I had one of my Y. I have some Y adapters, which I may try and find that would allow me to use both of these ends. It would minimize soldering and desoldering, but we'll see. Okay. I may cut these. So that So. Turn this down and lock this power supply into place here. There we go. Okay. That's there, that's there, that's there. We're on camera
All
here.
right, thanks for the warning.
Hi.
I'm going to get Aurora.
Cool.
Elliot's
Oh, he's here?
Yeah.
Okay, he's gonna stay here.
gonna
Cool.
stay here.
All good. Thank you for letting me know.
Do you have scissors?
I know where some are upstairs if you need them.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yeah. Can
You don't have your razor blade?
This is probably gonna be better with scissors.
Okay, I'll go grab
I mean, there's actually a little symbol on there that shows us a pair of scissors.
it.
So,
Oh. I need some skizzers.
mhm.
I've got some snips.
That would probably work.
Yeah, these should be good.
Yeah.
These are more appropriate to have in your hands there.
Mm-hmm. Knock off. I think I'm gonna knock off 2 of these on each one. see how bright one of these are. So.
Oh, bright.
That was weird.
Yeah.
Do that.
Ooh, so bright, so pretty.
Mhm. Well, what do you think? Do you think I should use 5 rows of lights or 4 rows of lights?
I would think that 3 or 4 should be plenty.
All right.
You know,
so then
you
we'll
don't.
use-
You want it more focused towards the bottom where the fire is. You know what I mean?
Mhm. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These cutters are kind of crappy. Can you get me the scissors if you can?
Yeah, of course. I'm not surprised those aren't good. I think those are the ones that are all chipped, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That happens. You are, sir.
All righty. All right, so I'm going to take these down where I think they should be. Okay, and we are going to stagger these LEDs a little bit so that they so that there's not a row effect or a column effect or whatever that would be. this was just locked down with some hot glue. So we're going to move this box so we get a better spot in there. Look at this.
Here.
Hmm?
Oh, just code stuff.
Oh, okay.
We got CI running.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay. You know where the soldering iron is?
No. No, it should be right there, right on the table there. Let me know if you need me to come help.
Okay. Okay.
What are you doing now?
I'm joining the pieces that I unsoldered before.
Oh yeah, nice.
So because this way they lay flat on the board. Because the bad part about these LED strips is they just don't like right angles. So we will tin these wires a little bit so that they tack on there real nice. Okay. More here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just flooding the pads with solder, and then I'm tacking the bodge wires on afterwards.
Oh, you moved the thing closer to the left so they can't see the soldering iron right now.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. A little bit. They can't really still see the soldering iron by like half an inch. You got lots of
Like
room.
that? Is that better?
No,
No.
quarter inch. Not really, like an inch.
Like that.
Yeah, see that
There we
you
go.
can kind of make
Alright,
out. Yeah.
Okay. I gotta get the wire ready first. wire that I just made is missing. Here it is.
Looks pretty nice.
Mm-hmm. All right. Do we want to turn it on and see?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me know when you want me to go grab the thingamading, the thing that goes on top. Oh wow, that's a lot of light. Your
Mhm.
face on the camera, yeah.
All right.
Well, now I'm blind.
So now this needs to be tacked down. The hot glue gun. Iron to go off. right, I think we are done with the wiring up, and now we just have to put the discs on.
Let me go get the space shuttle part.
Okay.
This is all trash, right? Is this little cardboard box trash too?
Yeah.
Is what the motor came in?
Oh, yeah, okay. Well, I need to tack these wires down.
There's the polarizer. See, on there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not the discs
All right.
don't polarize against each other. Polarize against those little polarizing strips.
Okay. All right.
See, okay, on camera. Here we go. Yeah. See those? Oh, point it out. See, point it out to them. Yeah, those are the polarizing strippies. So, all right. Well, whenever you're ready.
Okay. Well, you can put it on there if you just want to do a quick test of it.
Well, is it going to spin?
No,
The discs?
well, they might. I mean,
They're resting on there.
they're resting on there, so.
Let's see. Oh wow! Look how bright that is.
That is nice. I think the discs are maybe not moving.
Well, we'll find out in just a second.
Yeah, no, they're not.
They're not moving
Okay.
at all. Yeah.
All right. So let me.
Let me set this down right here. Nice and gentle, my baby.
Mm-hmm.
That would be hard to replace.
Okay. So. Here we go. All right. Right, I think that's gonna go in there. All right, I need a screwdriver.
Okay.
Phillips screwdriver.
The orange one isn't over there, handy?
You know, I'm not sure.
I think I see it. No, that's not the orange. We need the orange handy. That is the guy, you know. But here's Phillips.
I got it. I got this one. Yeah. Okay.
Nice. And now if you walk in and a Chinese place has their waterfall thing all broken, you can be like, I know how to fix that.
Mm-hmm.
I really was curious how these things work. You know what I mean? Like, this is not what I was expecting.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I was expecting like, I don't even know what I was expecting. Like one of the barrels. Have you ever seen the barrel ones that they used for fire? That they used to use for fire? It was a rotating barrel that like rotated towards you, or rather rotated up. You know, so away from you.
Okay. Not sure.
My grandparents have a lamp like that.
Uh-huh. Okay. I got a couple of washers. And okay. It's gonna have to be maybe tapped out a bit. Let's see. So I'm basically putting a lock washer and a regular washer, and using that to hold this hitch pin in place. Um, right now,
Is it turning?
mm-hmm.
Nice. Oh, that looks so crazy, dude. What? Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. Okay, they're both spinning the same way now.
And there should be a lot less danger of fire now, right?
Oh yeah.
Those halogens, I mean, that one
Mm-hmm.
ballast straight up caught on fire
Mm-hmm.
practically. It had smoked a bit, clearly.
Mm-hmm. All right, well, bring the shuttle over here and we're gonna see how this looks.
Yeah, it's time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, boy.
Yeah.
Look at those things spin, man.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like maybe one of those has been broken for a long time.
Uh-huh.
You know it?
Okay.
Oh yeah, you can immediately see. Look at that. Look how pretty that is.
I think It's supposed to be going
It's supposed to be going the other
the
way.
other
Though.
way for both of them, right?
Yeah, I would assume.
Okay, yeah, all right. That's not hard to do.
All right, get this off here. I'm so happy being your little gopher for this. Like, yeah.
All right, they're going the other way now.
All right, you're already ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, that's perfect. That's so cool. How do you like that?
That's nice.
One second, let me see if I can even get the video low enough on this. I know what I can do actually. There you go.
Nice.
I'll send it to you. Well, congratulations, sir. You fixed it.
Mm-hmm.
Just got to put those screws back in. Let me. Do you have the little?
You want to take this?
Yeah,
take
yeah.
This for right now.
Coming. You still have to attach stuff in there.
I gotta glue some of these wires down a little bit better, so that they don't interfere with the wheels.
There you go.
And This one came loose. Somehow. Reverse it. Good. Went and got the next size up washer for this.
That is so much better. Let me know what you need. You need a screwdriver?
I'm gonna need
Am I gonna need to hold that while you put that down and then we do the thing where we have to put it upside down, blah blah blah. Remember?
yeah, basically this is gonna be put upside down on top of that. And
Cool. No problem.
But everything's kind of secured in here, so
You think it's ready?
yeah, I think it's ready.
Okay.
Better time than here. What better time than now?
That's not right, is it? It's
No,
what's better time.
place, whatever better place than here, whatever time is now.
Okay, so
Something
this
like
is the top.
Right,
Okay,
and this is the top.
so there you go. Clean, right? Yeah, we're good.
Mhm.
Right there.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. I'm lined up here. Real nice.
Okay.
Oh yeah! Can't stop us now. All right, that's enough of that. Nobody here needs to hear that. Where's the little power screwdriver?
Oh, no, this is too delicate. You were gonna do it by hand.
Oh, okay.
Because they've been in and out multiple times, so.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Oh yeah! Can't stop us now. pretty that is. Woo! Good job. Oh yeah. See, that actually looks semi-legible on camera now.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well,
So
that's it. Say goodbye, everybody.